Hi everyone, Cindy De Silva here from Escalate IT Training. The next time you want to filter your data, but you want to do it in a faster, easier and more impressive way than the old filter button, try using slices. First you'll need to convert your data to a table. Simply go up to the Insert ribbon, select Table and click OK. From there, go up to your Table Tools Design ribbon and select Insert Slicer. Notice you've got a slicer available for each of the column headers. In this case, I want a slicer for my region, sales rep, and item. I can resize my slicers, and I can move them as well. When I'm ready to use them, all I need to do is click the items that I want to filter by. In this case, I want to see the soccer ball sales made by Langley in the South region. So I simply click, 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 done. This is Micro Mondays. I'll see you next week.